Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with Jasper AI. Jasper is a powerful AI writing tool that can help you with a variety of tasks, from writing blog posts to creating marketing copy. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can use Jasper AI to make money. So whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, this video is for you. 1. Write blog posts. One of the best ways to make money with Jasper AI is to write blog posts. Blog posts are a great way to attract traffic to your website or blog, and they can also be a great way to generate leads and sales. Jasper AI can help you write high-quality blog posts quickly and easily. Simply provide Jasper with a topic, and it will generate a blog post outline for you. You can then fill in the outline with your own content. 2. Create marketing copy. Another great way to make money with Jasper AI is to create marketing copy. This includes things like landing pages, email campaigns, and social media ads. Jasper AI can help you write persuasive and engaging marketing copy that will help you convert leads into customers. Simply provide Jasper with your target audience, your product or service, and your desired outcome, and it will generate marketing copy that is tailored to your specific needs. 3. Write product descriptions. If you sell products online, you can use Jasper AI to write product descriptions. Product descriptions are an important part of any online store, as they help customers decide whether or not to buy your product. Jasper AI can help you write clear and concise product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your product and persuade customers to buy. 4. Offer copywriting services. If you have a knack for writing, you can offer copywriting services to businesses and individuals. Jasper AI can help you with this by providing you with the tools and resources you need to create high-quality copy. You can start by offering your services to friends and family, and then gradually build up your portfolio. Once you have a good portfolio, you can start marketing your services to businesses and individuals online. 5. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it through Jasper AI. Jasper AI can help you create the course content, develop the course curriculum, and even create the course landing page. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, and it can also be a great way to make money. These are just a few of the ways you can make money with Jasper AI. With a little creativity and effort, you can use Jasper AI to generate income in a variety of ways. So what are you waiting for? Start using Jasper AI today and see how much money you can make. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money with Jasper AI.